Hello everyone, and welcome to the InstaRelinker plugin by the Progress Unite UX team. The primary goal of the plugin is to help you clone main components between multiple files faster and smoother. When you copy and paste from one file to another in Figma, that clones the top-level components but keeps nested instances referring to the remote components from the origin file. The same happens with styles, they are kept as remote, instead of inheriting the ones in your file. InstaRelinker automatically swaps remote instances and styles with local ones, so you don't have to do this manually. Let's walk you through the process of cloning a component from one file version to another. Here, I have started with version 1.0 of the Telerik and Kendo UI kit, which I duplicated from the Figma community. Then I made some modifications. Changed styles, colors, and metrics. Now, I want to update my version of this file to include the new components from the latest version 1.6, but keep all my modifications. I will start by creating a new page within the origin file, and named it, Clone to my theme. Then I will move the desired components plus all the nested components, within this page via cut and paste. Now, I just have to copy all the selected components from the origin file, to the destination one. Then I go back to my theme, and also create a new page. Let's name it, New Components from v1.6. So, I just have to hit paste here. Let's have a look at the layer structure and see what we've done so far. As you can see, the nested instances of the main components are still pointing to the source file, while I need them to point to my already modified local components. The same is true for all the applied styles as well. Fixing that would require me to manually select each instance by Figma's instance swapping menu. Then, I have to update manually all remote styles to point to my local ones, and repeat the process for all pasted instances and styles. I don't want to do all that manually. So I will use InstaRelinker to automate this job. Let's see it in action. First, I will select all pasted components, and right-click to run plugins, InstaRelinker. In my case it is under development, because it is not published yet. There are two tabs, one for remote to local components and one for remote to local styles. Most remote components and styles are auto-matched by name, but some need to be paired manually if a name match is not found. Let's fix the unresolved components, for which the name seems to have changed. I will search from the component drop-down list for the matching local component. When I do that, the plugin navigates me to the actual component where it resides to make sure that this is the desired match. Next, I will click the relink button to confirm and I am done. On to the next one. I can also just select the corresponding component directly. Notice that when I change the selection in the Figma frame, it also gets reflected in the plugin. I will relink to confirm. In case I made a mistake while relinking, or the plugin auto-selected a wrong match, I can use the detach button on the right to unlink and start over. There we go. All styles are automatically matched, except one. There are two options to resolve this unmatched style: pick an existing style from the drop-down list, or clone the missing style locally. I will clone the style as local in my file as I don't have it. I am done now. I will click Apply Selection to complete. Take several seconds to relink all the instances, and to apply the necessary overrides. Let me check. Yes. Now everything is properly relinked. All the pasted instances are linked to their local components. The plugin also preserved all the applied overrides such as metrics, colors, and auto layout properties. It all took me less than a minute. Try the InstaRelinker and drop us a comment to share your feedback or suggestions. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video.